Hi everyone and welcome back to the Ellenik project. Today is exciting. It's finally time to dig up our first potatoes. We planted these about 11 weeks ago and I'm curious to see how they did in this hot and heavy soil. I have no idea how big the harvest will be, but let's find out together. So these are local potatoes we planted earlier this season, right after we arrived. Now, I didn't use a traditional mound method. We just worked them into loosened soil and mulched them heavily. Some of the plants have flowered and they are starting to die off, which I guess means that it's time to harvest them. First we will have to remove the mulch and expose the drip line so I won't cut it. I also haven't made it easier for myself by planting corn in between, but we will find out if this is a problem or not. Let's grab a fork and start digging carefully. And let's just expose a small patch to try it out. Because maybe there aren't even potatoes in the ground. That would be a pity, but you never know. Yeah, first one. Let's see how many we can get from this little patch. I see some potatoes surfacing the ground. That's promising. Wow. I'm gonna have to show you what I'm seeing because it makes me happy. Okay, let's see if I can get the drip lines out of the way. Okay, so got ourselves some space. Now, like I said, I didn't make it easier for me planting the corn in between. Those are having corn cobs, so I want to be extra careful with those. The three younger ones, if I can manage to keep them in, it would be nice, but okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Some are smaller than I hoped, but I think that's normal for a first attempt in this soil. We had weeks of heat, no rain, so I'm happy without any at all. What I've learned so far is that next time I'll try the mound method. With regular compost, try to keep them out of the clay as much as possible. So I'm starting to believe that I'm too soon, but too late now. So, was I expecting more? I was hoping for it. Would be awesome for the first harvest video to show you an incredibly huge yield, but realistically I wasn't expecting very much. Am I disappointed? No, I'm still happy to harvest some potatoes, and if they taste good then I will be very happy. So I weighed them. It's 4 kilos. Not the yield I was hoping for, but still, it's the first yield. There are some really nice big potatoes there. I separated the larger ones from the smaller ones. Well, thanks for watching this little harvest with me. We'll use these in dinner tonight. Maybe roasted with some fresh rosemary from the garden. Nice. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see what we grow next. And bye bye.